Hey YouTube, this video is going to show you a very quick and simple way to solve the Rubik's Cube. Yep, the Rubik's Cube. Everyone thinks, oh god, this is so hard, I'm just going to throw it down now, I can't do it. It's way easier than that. Watch this. Look at that, I've already screwed it up pretty bad. Pretty simple. I've solved the Rubik's Cube. Ta-da! Not hard for me. The trick is, watch. Okay, I took this one here, then I did up one, and then I took this here, sideways, then here, down one, and then here, across one. I just do that backwards. Take here, like that. Take here, like that. Here, like that. And you can already easily investigate yourself that all you have to do is pull this down. And you did it. But if it's messed up really bad, all you have to do is take it and turn it at a 45-degree angle. Take your thumb right there, and you'll pry this piece right out. You're going to think, oh, I broke it. Nope. Just sit it down. Then all you have to do is lift these out, and so on until the whole thing is taken apart and only the middle pieces will be connected. And now, basically, all you have to do now is put it back together the way it normally would be. Tough to do it first, but you'll get used to it. Then you've solved it if you messed it up too bad. Then just use my reverse order tip, which I will demonstrate the power, the power of momentarily. Yeah, see, I fixed it pretty simply. Here. I'll shut my eyes and mess it up. Now I'll do it with my eyes shut. I did it. That's it. Try it for yourself. See you later, YouTube.